Dr. Amar Patnaik is there.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Chairman, sir, I want to raise the issue of women farmers who continue to be invisible, neglected, discriminated, and engaged in difficult working conditions in agriculture. The same narrative, sir, has been followed in the current farm protest as well, where there is a stereotypical paternalistic male-dominated leadership in these protests. So recently, women farmers came together demanding that the government recognize them and uphold their rights. I support, sir, their demands. So they have to be addressed both at the policy level as well as the implementation level, sir. So currently we have about 15 crore women farmers engaged in agricultural activities, right from planting seeds, transplantation activities, storage activities, post-storage, post-harvest activities, and also harvest activities. Many of them are widow farmers whose husbands had committed suicide, and therefore they have taken to farming. So it is therefore very essential that the women farmers have to be recognized, and the first step is to recognize them officially. The definition of farmers have to include things as women farmers, tenant farmers, those who rear livestock, fisherwomen, and women dependent on forest. Sir, the Oxfam report says that agriculture sector employs 80% of all economically active women, but only 13% have land rights. The entire data set of census operations identifies farmers as per their land holdings. And that is the crux of the problem, sir. And therefore, sir, I demand that we must operationalize a definition of farmer that includes all these activities. There is a joint registration of land, a registry of women farmers, equal access to credit, better access to technologies, and quality seeds, sir. So unless we assure them space in the policy level and also give support services just as we give to our male farmers, we cannot actually have a sustainable agricultural practice in this country. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.